Have you ever wondered why diets fail? Why no matter how hard you try, the weight keeps coming back? Today, we're revealing a powerful, simple secret that doctors and the diet industry don't want you to know. Stay tuned because this might just change your life forever. This isn't about a magic pill or a fad diet, it's about understanding your body in a way you've never been told before. Diets are designed to fail. Yes, you heard that right. The billion-dollar diet industry thrives on your struggle, creating plans that are unsustainable. They keep you trapped in a cycle of losing and gaining weight, all while profiting off your frustration. Most diets focus on short-term results, leaving you feeling deprived, frustrated, and defeated. But what if there was a way to break free from this cycle for good? Your body isn't the enemy. The truth is, most diets ignore how your metabolism really works. Cutting too many calories or eliminating entire food groups can send your body into survival mode, slowing your metabolism and making fat loss nearly impossible. Your body needs balance, not extremes. What's the solution? It's not about eating less. It's about eating smarter, and that begins with understanding how your metabolism and hormones interact. Here's the secret. The key to permanent weight loss isn't a specific diet. It's about balancing your hormones and repairing your metabolism. Hormones like insulin, cortisol, and leptin control how your body stores and burns fat. And guess what? You can reset them with simple, everyday habits. Curious? Let's dive deeper. We'll explore how small changes in your diet and lifestyle can lead to big, sustainable results. Forget crash diets and extreme fasting. The real magic lies in nutrient-dense, whole foods. Think leafy greens, healthy fats, lean proteins, and low-glycemic fruits. These foods not only nourish your body, but also regulate your hormones, keeping your metabolism running like a well-oiled machine. Plus, certain foods have specific benefits. For example, omega-3 rich foods reduce inflammation, and fiber helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Exercise isn't just about burning calories. The right kind of exercise like strength training and high-intensity interval training can help you build muscle, which naturally increases your metabolism. Combine this with quality sleep and stress management, and you'll see results like never before. Did you know that chronic stress raises cortisol levels, leading to weight gain? Managing stress through mindfulness or yoga can make a huge difference. Let's debunk a few myths. Carbs aren't your enemy. Fat doesn't make you fat. And you don't have to spend hours at the gym to see progress. The secret is in the balance and understanding what works for your unique body. You've been told to avoid certain foods or over-exercise, but this can often do more harm than good. Let's set the record straight. No two bodies are the same. That's why cookie-cutter diets don't work. By understanding your own metabolic type, food sensitivities, and hormonal imbalances, you can create a personalized plan that works for you for life. This means taking the time to listen to your body, track your reactions to foods, and adjust as needed. Knowledge is power, and the more you understand yourself, the better your results will be. Ready to take action? Start small. Replace processed foods with whole alternatives. Add a 10-minute walk after meals. Incorporate more fiber-rich vegetables. Track your progress and listen to your body. Remember, consistency beats perfection. It's about making sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. Over time, these small habits will add up to big results. You don't have to go through this journey alone. Surround yourself with a supportive community that shares your goals and values. Joining groups or finding a partner to share your progress can keep you motivated. Together, you can celebrate victories, share tips, and stay accountable. This journey isn't just about losing weight. It's about gaining health, confidence, and a new perspective on life. Imagine waking up every day feeling energized and in control of your choices. That's what awaits you when you commit to this sustainable, science-backed approach. You now have the power to redefine your approach to health. This is not just about a diet, it's a complete lifestyle transformation. Imagine breaking free from the endless cycle of dieting, stepping into a life where you feel empowered and confident in your body. This is your chance to rewrite your health story. Start today. Take one small step. Replace a processed snack with a fresh fruit, or take a brisk walk to clear your mind and energize your body. Each action you take is a vote for the healthier, happier version of yourself. And remember, you are not alone. Together, we can create a community that uplifts and inspires, where success is shared and challenges are faced with resilience. Let's make this a movement, not just a moment.
If this resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Spread this message to those who need it. Join the conversation in the comments below and tell us your first step towards a healthier you. Let's inspire each other to achieve what once seemed impossible, because your health is your greatest wealth.